Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add text in the background of a subject using the CapCut mobile. So in here, I've already imported a video and you can just write your text. Okay, I'm going to use this text right here. Now apply it to the entire clip, or you can apply it as you like. Then export this project. So click on the arrow at the top, and when you're done exporting, just delete the text here and add the video that you export before as overlay. So go to overlay, add overlay, and here select this video. Okay, I've already added video. Adjust the size. Now make it, not as the overlay. You need to make the overlay the original one. So I'm going to move it to the main track and put the original one as overlay. Sorry about that. And remove the background of the original video like this, and you'll have this result. So now the text will be on the background of the subject. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.